Hey Kansas City, it's time for our housing market update. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and we are comparing March of 2025 to March of 2026. Now, when we look overall at Kansas City, we saw the number of closed homes increase by 9.8%. And in Johnson County, we saw that increase by 15.7%. So our spring housing market started early in February this year. Our average days on the market increased in Kansas City by 7.2% and in Johnson County by 8.2%. The inventory overall for Kansas City is down 4.6%, putting us at a 2.2 month inventory. And in Johnson County, we're seeing a decrease by 7% in the number of homes for sale, giving us a 1.8 month inventory. Now remember, the inventory is based on how many homes are for sale compared to how many buyers are currently looking, and that establishes our month supply that we currently have. The question of the month is on roof insurance, because there's been so many changes in insurance that we're actually going to do a full video on this in May. So hold tight with us. But until then, make sure you check your policy to see if it says your roof is ACV or RCV. The two differences are actual cash value, which pays a depreciation amount if your roof needs to be replaced based on age and wear and tear, or replacement cost value, which is the RCV, replaces at the current cost a roof in today's housing market would cost to replace. So double check your policies when they renew. It can change, and you just need to be aware of that so you know what kind of coverage you have. As always, Kansas City, it's our pleasure being the real estate agent of choice for you, your friends, and family. Have a great day. Cheers.